Okay, our next Python lesson video is going to be on how to change the thickness of our lines. So I'm going to go ahead and name this Trinket line thickness. And let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go full screen just to show you guys. I set the recording, hit the hamburger, go full screen. And if you want to move, make it smaller or larger, the area where you type in your code. I forgot what the name of it is. I think it's called a control or something, but that's not important. Okay, so let's go ahead and first call our turtle library by typing import turtle. All right, I'm going to go ahead and name my turtle. I'm going to go ahead and name it T just this time, just to show you guys. It can be different names, but T is just a lazy way to do it. So T equals the turtle dot capital turtle, and then open close parentheses. Oops. And this will just make it easier for me instead of typing a name. Let's go ahead and set a setting. So let's call our turtle name. We're going to call our turtle T, or my turtle T, and we're going to set the heading like we learned before. And let's set it 45 degrees. All right, and now to change the thickness, we're going to use a different function, and that function is called pen size. And and then the parameter you're going to put in here, let me put 10 just to show you what happens. That's actually going to control the thickness. And so then let's make our turtle T go forward, and we'll make the turtle go forward 100. So I'm going to go ahead and run, and you can see how the line is thicker, and that's because of the pen size. If I make it 20, it's going to be twice as thick. If I make it 200, let's see what happens with that. It's going to be extra thick. Okay, and so that's how you change the thickness of your pen. Using the pen size function. And that's the lesson for the day.